Hi, it's Doug from DTA Designs Inc. talking about burn permit costs within our fire department theme. After signing into your website, you will be presented with the firefighter's homepage. Your homepage will look a little different than what is being shown to you here, as your website will be customized to your fire department. Also, your fire department may not have implemented all options available in the fire department theme. From the home page, click on the administration from the menu bar. From this page, click on the Burn Permits button. Click on the Update Permit Cost button. The current year will appear along with the associated cost of the burn permit for the year. If this is the first time going into the burn permit cost page, the burn permit cost will be $15 as shown. Let's update the permit cost to $20 by entering 20 into the cost box and clicking on the update button to the right of the input box. We get a confirmation message telling us that the update was successful. Let's click on the update permit cost button. This is the page you will see in December where the following year is shown and the cost for the new year is set to the previous year's cost. That concludes the video about burn permit costs within our fire department theme. Thanks for watching.